This is the short story of Mighty Murph, the little car that conquered all it could, the little car that lived. Imagined by human minds and built with human hands, our cars are nothing more than inanimate objects. By definition, they have no life or spirit, no consciousness. They are nothing more than mechanical tools we created to make our lives easier. Every now and then, a special little car comes along that we cherish close to our hearts, in the space that's usually reserved for other living things. Every now and then, a car like Murph emerges. A car comes alive. Murph was built, bought and driven on our roads, a useful tool with a purpose. Its shiny paintwork glistening in the sun, its tiny headlights catching the eyes of wildlife at night. But like all the useful tools we imagine with our minds and build with our hands, it would one day break. Unuseful and unloved, Murph was left to rot in a shed with other broken, inanimate objects. The rust slowly eating away at the metal, the mice tearing away at its fabrics, the dust settling over the fading paint that once dazzled in the sun. The weeks turned into months, the months turned into years, and the years turned into decades. Murph had been forgotten. One day, Murph was rediscovered by someone in its lonely resting place. Nothing more than buckled tin and decaying memories. This person felt compelled to rescue Murph. Where others saw scrap, someone else saw so much more. They saw a chance to revive and restart this little old car. They saw character and spirit. They saw life. What compels us to look after and rebuild these remarkable cars? Something drives us to see beyond the logical and into the realms of love and affection. Murph was restored after decades of disrepair, travelling more miles than ever, turning heads wherever it drove, and putting smiles on the faces of people as it passes. Murph conquered the longest roads, the harshest weathers, and the highest mountains. Murph was mighty, and because someone saw beyond its flaws and faded glory, Murph was alive.